Do you want to make money from Rumble? So just simply upload video on Rumble and make money like this. People already making money hundreds of dollars daily from Rumble, just simply uploading video on Rumble. So watch this video tutorial how to make money from Rumble. So Rumble is a website like YouTube. Just simply upload video on Rumble and make money. So you can all Rumble show you other people earning. Here you can see people already making money. This person upload 8-second video, 9-second video and making money. Here you can see 8-second video, $3, $25 and $100. So here you can see this person upload just this person got 10,000 views on this video, and this person make $4 from this, and this person got 60,000 views and get $25 from this video. This video is only a 9-second video. This lady got 10,000 views and make this $3 from this. This person upload 9-second video. This video is only animal video, 9-second video, 30,000 views and got $170, $17. So this is a small video, got low view but earning is high. Maybe this person got international from premium country like USA, United Kingdom, Australia. So that's why this person got too much money from this single video, a 9-second video. So first of all you need to create a account. So go to here and create account, a free account, publisher account and business account. So different account available. So I am going to creating a free account. Subscribe, upload and monetize your video. So give your name, a full name, and choose a username. If someone already not taken your username, just give the username. So that's it. So easy to create account. Just type email name, email address and type your more detail and you click on you are agreed with these details. So then click on register button. Then your account is created. So congratulations, your account is created. So just confirm your email address. So just confirm your email address. So click here to activate your account. Click here. Now your account has been successfully verified, and next step is verified your email. Just click on upload button and you need to verify. Proceed to account verification. You need to verify your country where you from. So just verified your account with your country. From a different country available, from which country you are. Just select your country, type the number and click on send verification code. Then Rumble send your verification code on your number. Then type the verification code here and your account is fully verified, and now you can easily upload videos and start making money from this. So only one account can be verified with the same number. So here you can see your earnings, our estimated earning, YouTube earning, third party Rumble earning and total earning. Stat and analytics, account option, account verification. So here you can see CPM estimated earning. So this is a graph. Here you can see your earning, total earning, referral. You can refer to other people and you can see the zero registered impression, total user. So this is a the other is a pro version. So if you want some extra feature, then you need a premium version. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you how to make money from Rumble. So if you are want to make good money, then start or create your account. Link in description. Just create your account from my link and create your account and upload video on Rumble and make money. So if you have any question about Rumble, then leave a comment. So if you already using a Rumble, then leave a comment what you know about Rumble. So I will reply you if you have any question or any problem. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. I will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.